Okay, brothers, welcome again in a new video. In this video, I will talk about the license of Windows license or Windows activation. Windows activation is a very important things for everyone if you want to activate your Windows. So I'll show you how to check the status of the Windows activation, and we will check by using command slmgr, and we will check the Windows status. Then we will delete all the product key, existing product key in this inside this Windows, and also we will continue working as to continue. We will connect it to the internet, and we will activate the internet, activate the Windows license by internet connection. Then I'll show you later the product key before updating or before activation online and after activation. Let's check now what is the current product key for this Windows. This is a fresh Windows installation, so we have to check the product key right now inside this Windows. Okay, so let's use slmgr by command prompt, new shortcut cmd, enter, okay, to create a cmd line. So right click, properties, or run as administrator. We have to run this cmd as administrator because slmgr cannot run without have privileges. Okay, so let's write here for command prompt, let's write slmgr slash display license DLI. Okay, so it will give us some the status of the product key. See, now he's saying this Windows Now Professional Edition. So the description of this Windows operating system retail channel. So this is the partial, this is the last 5 digits of the 25 digits. This is the last 5 digits of the product key of this Windows. Okay, and this is the license status is notification. It means need connecting to the internet. This also notification reason also need connection to the internet. Also, if we write also slmgr slash dlv to give some more details about the current situation of the current license situation, it will be more detailed about this is a retail channel. This is for Windows. See, this is a version, Windows version. Okay, the DLV means display version, Windows version, and this is the Windows Professional Edition, and this is retail channel, and this is also, it will display some product key channel is retail. Okay, installation ID, this is the installation ID, and this is all details. But finally, you can this is a partial product key, and this is the location for the this retail or license. Okay, so we have to, now we have already product key inside this Windows, and this is a partial, this is a partial part, a partial displayed of a part of the Windows product key. Let's clear all of this product key and let's check it together. Okay, slmgr. Okay, we wanna clear or uninstall the product key. So uninstall, you uninstall product key upk. Okay, slmgr slash upk uninstall product key. Then we will press enter just to remove or uninstall the product key. So we will get a message, uninstall the product key already done successfully. Okay, then also we have to clear it from the registry. So we will complete, but not upk, clear the product key from the registry. So C clear product key from the registry. Y from registry. So we'll press enter. So then we will get a message, the product key from registry already cleared successfully. So if we check it out right now, we want to check the the first line for this slmgr DLI display license. Now DLI. Okay, let's check. See, this is the message, the same before. Now DLI displaying error product key is not found. Okay, let's display more detail for DLV. Okay, version and like this. So it will give me software licensing software is this is the version, but about the product key. Okay, since a while we displayed too much information about registration, but now software license service is this is a version of Windows, but the big window with more details already disappeared because we already removed all the product key exists in this system. It means this system now has not any product key installed inside. So we have to ensure that we don't have any product key. Even if we run this product key decryptor to display what is the license key right now, it will display NBBB like this. It will start with N and the other product key will be B. But if we run this product key before, we will see that the product key already completed and the complete one. But now we don't have any product key installed in this system, right? Okay, we already cleared everything and we are ready now to activate this Windows. Let's check Windows activation from this Windows start. This is the settings of Windows. Then click the settings. Let's go to update and security. From update and security, we will go to activation. Let's see the activation now. What is the situation for unable to reach Windows activation servers? It means now Windows is not activated. Okay, let's connect it to the internet to make this activation, because this activation will be done automatically. Okay, let's see. Now I don't have any product key, and Windows now is not reached to the server to activate this Windows because I don't have internet connection. Let's have internet connection to see what is the activation will be. It will be done automatically because it's already stored in Microsoft. Even if there is no product key installed in the system, you will see right now what will happen when I connect to the internet. Let's share the hotspot from my mobile phone and let's see what is this. Yes, this is my network. Let's connect it to the internet. Okay, to see activation before is not available, but now let's check it out from start. Let's go settings, inside settings, let's go down, update security, let's go to activation to see what will happen or what happened. Unable to reach the Windows activation server, unable to reach. Okay, let's close it now. Okay, and let's open it again. Okay, let's go to Windows update and security to see what is the situation right now. Let's go to activation again. See, now the product key Windows is not activated. It means there is no product key because we already removed all of product key exists in this system. So no product key right now. So how to activate this Windows? Just go to troubleshooting. Okay, and let's check if this Windows activated before or not. If already activated before, it will be activated very fast. See, detecting activation problems, and they will solve it. If this Windows activated before, so you will find this Windows activated successfully with a digital license. It means this Windows activated before many times. That's why this activation information will be already stored in Microsoft servers and also stored in your BIOS in this computer. So it will be activated after connecting to the internet, even if there is the activation status right now is not activated. So this Windows already activated before, and this is a fresh copy of Windows. That's why I created this video for you to ensure if your computer already activated before, your Windows already activated in the same hardware, so you will be able to activate it automatically, because the activation always happening automatically. Okay, Windows is still not activated, but let's see, and let's go Now we cannot reach our activation server right now. Make sure that you are connected to the internet. Wait a few minutes and try again. Error code is like this. So this code, this error code, now we have activated this copy of Windows. See, when I close this one, this message will be changed. Let's make it close. Okay, let's close it and let's open it again, because we always refresh to activate settings or refresh settings. The new settings applied. I'll open the window, then I'll go to activation, Windows Update and Security. Let's go to activation. You will see this Windows already. See, now Windows is activated with a digital license. It means Windows already activated with a product key inside this Windows. Let's check after activation. Let's check what's going on, and let's slmgr again. So let's see what will happen. slmgr / display license to see what is the status right now. After activation, what is the status of the activation? See, now Windows Professional name, Windows Professional Edition, and the description, Windows Operating System Retail Channel, and the partial product key is like this. Okay, and the license status is licensed. Okay, now is my license status is licensed. It means my Windows already registered from the Microsoft, already activated automatically. Let's give more details. DLV. Okay, the version and more details about what Windows is activated or not. So let's see, it's retail. This is the version of the Windows. Okay, this is professional edition, and this is a retail version, and this is a partial of my Windows activation. So this is my license status right now is licensed. It means activated. Licensed means activated. So now we reached to the end of the video. Now you see, even if we removed all of this Windows product key and becomes with a red color like you see before. So if you remove all the product key from your system, like slmgr /upk uninstall product key, and also clear the product key from the registry cpky, and you will not have any product key installed. So after that, you can activate this Windows even if you remove the product key. So product key will not affect your system. So that's why I created this video for you to know what is the nature of the Windows activation, and what is the procedure, what is the consequences already, and the procedures Windows will take during activation process. So now you see what happened, and if your Windows is not activated before, or even if you remove the product key from your system, you will be able to activate it again successfully with no problem. Okay, let's now we reach to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and goodbye right now. See you later in a new video. Thank you very much.